point A around point B, that makes a circle. But these two single points are clones, and those 2 points have equal potential. So not only can point A rotate around point B, but point B can also rotate around point A. This is one radius that both circles share. That black form in the middle there, that's called the vesica piscis or the vesica piscis, depending on what you prefer. The vesica piscis is literally the womb of the universe. This is the whole essence of the universe. I'm not kidding. Sounds like a real crazy thing to say, but 2 circles of common radius, and this shape in the middle that it makes, called the vesica piscis, is the whole root of sacred geometry. Literally every single thing that exists, and I'm not kidding, everything that exists springs out of this womb, this football-like shape. It sounds like a wild, improbable, crazy thing to say, but it's absolutely true. Everyone pretty much agrees. The universe is created by division. That ultimate mystery, that great creative force, which is the all, God-mind, unity consciousness, that oneness divides and becomes duality, and voila, the Big Bang. God-mind as single-pointedness divides and becomes duality, and all relationship begins right there. And out of this relationship, of course, 2 circles of common radius and the vesica piscis. Vesica piscis. So let's look a little closer at this vesica piscis, huh? Right there it is, that's it. When we get to 4 circles of common radius, which naturally evolve out of these points C and D, the vesica piscis is in the middle. But we have now 5 vesica piscis inside 4 circles of common radius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, interesting. With the creation of those points C and D, we have within the vesica piscis a triangular situation. So we started with unity, we evolved into duality, and now we have an evolution to trinity. This is the birthplace of trigonometry, an entire division of mathematics born in the vesica piscis. Huh? Those 2 points, C and D, bisect the vesica piscis and create the cross in the center and a new center, point X. So this introduces the transcendental nature of this pattern. It slips all the way into infinity and all the way out to infinity with smaller and smaller and smaller overlapping circles and larger and larger and larger overlapping circles. All the way to infinity. So, you can't learn about the Vesica Piscis in a few minutes. This is an unbelievably deep and rich form, literally the womb of the universe. Everything that is springs out of the Vesica Piscis, everything. All unfolding and spiraling and spiraling and spiraling into what we see as this manifest universe. We are sacred geometry. We spring right out of the Vesica Piscis. Omnipresent principles of the universe. That is what sacred geometry is. And the Vesica Piscis, or the Vesica Piscis, is right in the heart of that thing. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.